Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, sir.
Okay. Now we are visited in Umbul Gedang. Before we start our guiding, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, enough. Before we start our guiding, let's pray introduce myself. My name is Dimas Arya Wibowo. Today I am as your tour guide. Now we are in the parking area of Umbul Gedang. Umbul Gedang is water tourism destination, and Umbul Gedang is located in Umbul Sali Ponggok Village, Pulau Harjo District, Klaten Regency, Central of Java. Nah, okay. We go to the locating or ticketing of Umbul Gedang. Let's go. Okay, now we are moving into the ticketing from Umbul Gedang. Wait. To enter Umbul Gedang, you only pay around 8,000 rupiah. It is relatively so cheap because in Umbul Gedang you can get a lot of activity with playing water, such as take picture underwater, dive, bathe, and enjoy the business. Okay, and Umbul Gedang open at 7 AM and closed at 4 PM. Okay, we go to entrance Umbul Gedang. Okay, wait. Before we are enjoying in Umbul Gedang, I will tell you about the history of Umbul Gedang. In the past, Umbul Gedang is the myth of Gedang Klaten Penan. In the royal era, was a bathing place for the princess. At the bottom of the pond, there are stone and soil, like the banners in other Klaten districts. Interestingly, Umbul Gedang Kapilaran Klaten Penan is not far from a spring, which according to local people is used as a drink water, namely drinking water in aqua packaging. So, Umbul Gedang in the past is used for prince to take a bath, and Umbul Gedang, the water used for the PT Aqua. And then nowadays, Umbul Gedang collaboration with Bumdes Ponggok related to the environmental management and slum settlement regarding the arrival of Nadine. So she was interested in the program from the Ponggok Village. Ponggok Village government whose vision and mission were in line with what we had planned. This is how we take care of the environment for sustainable life for our children and grandchildren. And okay, it is the history of Umbul Gedang, little story of Umbul Gedang. Okay, we go to move in the swimming pool of Umbul Gedang. Let's go. Now, okay, we are arrived in Umbul Gedang. Okay, I forgot to explain you if Umbul Gedang in the past used for washing clothes, washing motorcycle, and for other activity of social living. And in Umbul Gedang has a depth around 1 meter and 1.5 meter. You know, in the past, Umbul Gedang only have 1 meter, but currently modified to the deep. It is 1 meter and 1.5 meter. Although the tourist location is not so wide, but it is enough to provide comfort tourists if the beautiful and shady atmosphere is obtained from a number of large banyan trees with rock climbing at the tree and the trees. And Umbul Gedang is the appropriate place for you to get a holiday with your friend, and then maybe your soulmate and your family. Do you have soulmate?
No.
No.
Can you find one?
Same with me. I don't have soulmate too. Okay. The air. Okay. Please listen to me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No. Okay. The air around Umbul Sigedang Tour feels very refreshing and healthy for the body. Umbul Sigedang in Klaten has never been polluted by factory water or other waste. Even though many people use it for bathing or bathing, the water is still clear and not cloudy at all. Arriving at this place, you will feel how shady and beautiful the tourist attraction. It is natural beauty comes from the combination of water and the tree. You can look around you, a lot of the trees around Umbul Sigedang, right?
Right, yes, absolutely, it's very good.
And then the atmosphere, tree and water blend together and created the situation so enjoyable and safe. In addition, this place is also able to present a different tasty and aroma. And then in Umbul Sigedang has different water. The water of Umbul Sigedang is very cool. So we check together the water of Umbul Sigedang.
Oh, it's very close.
Right?
Wow, yes.
The water of Umbul Sigedang so cold, right?
Yes, absolutely, it's amazing.
Yeah. So when you swimming in Umbul Sigedang, you will so fresh because the water of Umbul Sigedang feels so cold. And a lot of people saying that if you swimming in Umbul Sigedang, you feel like swimming in the around 1,000 gallon of mineral water. Because like before I say, in Umbul Sigedang, the water used for the PT Aqua.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, we go to the next swimming pool. It is Umbul Kapilaran. Go.
Let's go, man. Langsung to the next thing.
Guys, now we are right in Umbul Kapilaran. You can see that.
Yes.
Umbul Kapilaran, right? Yeah. In Umbul Kapilaran is also beautiful like Umbul Sigedang. But Umbul Kapilaran, it is used for adults, and Umbul Sigedang usually used for kids. Because in Umbul Kapilaran, the deep is around 2 meters. Nah, in Umbul Kapilaran, you can take picture underwater. You can take picture underwater with fish, and then in the underwater you can take picture like with rock and soil. So this is been the favorite place for adults to take picture in here. Not only that, in Umbul Kapilaran you can also enjoy some of the beauty of the flora, namely the old bayan tree that is around hundreds of years old. This tree do look so unique. In addition, there is also the beauty of the rock at the base and above the pennant. And then the around of Umbul Kapilaran, there are a lot of rock, and then you can sit in the rock. You can sit in the rock. It is to be the comfortable seat, and then it is to be the comfortable place for sit in here. And then you can feel enjoy the atmosphere here, and you feeling how the breeze of blow. Like I said before, it is the bayan tree, the most favorite photo spot in Umbul Sigedang or in Umbul Kapilaran. The dense root of the bayan tree that hang down become a photo spot that is quite loved by tourists who come. Until there are tourists who take pictures there by hanging a hammock between the tree roots. Because it has a beautiful view, it seems good to be used as a place for selfie with natural panorama. Of course, it will make your photo look cool. Even if you bring or rent an underwater camera, you can take picture the moment when you are underwater with ornamental fish. So it is the power to take a picture. Okay, we go to the next. To the next, apa ya? To the next place for Umbul Sigedang. Let's go.
Okay.
Now, okay, guys. Now we are in the corner of Umbul Sigedang. It is the place. It is in this place. I will explain you the facilities provided by management of Umbul Sigedang. Are you Muslim, guys?
Yeah.
Nah, if you are a Muslim, you don't worry to visit Umbul Sigedang because Umbul Sigedang provide mosque, gazebo mosque. There is a prayer room provided by the manager around the location. In fact, a resting place in the form of gazebo or hut is already there, so you don't feel confused to searching for praying place because Umbul Sigedang has provided the most view. And then you can see in our left side, our right side, it is the gazebo. The gazebo can use for you to conversation with your family, and then you can conversation in here with your friends, or you can make other event in this gazebo. And then behind me there is a food stand of Umbul Sigedang. Umbul Sigedang also provide food stand. Nah, if you are feel so tired after you are swimming or bathing, you can find some food in here. The food is starting from fried noodle, boiled noodle, and then various fried food, fried chicken, and other. And here you can find a lot of traditional food, tempe goreng. In this language, called as tempe goreng. And in this food stand, you can find a lot of drinking beverage like other. Okay, and in the behind of the food stand, there are the toilets. The toilet of Umbul Sigedang located in here and over there in green building. Yes. You can change your wet clothes in this toilet, okay? And in Umbul Sigedang also provide the facility about rent swimming jacket, so you can feel safety when you are swimming in Umbul Sigedang, or you can swimming in Umbul Kapulaler. You can feel so safety. I think it's all my explanation about Umbul Sigedang and Umbul Kapulaler destination. Thank you for your participation. I hope you can enjoy this vacation. I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.